Hello, sweet people. I'm going to show you very quickly how to link your PhotoStory onto your Weebly. Okay? It's a very simple process. You just have to make sure you do all the steps. I'm going to use the student's example. One thing you need to make sure is that you are attaching or linking not the WP3 file, but the actual movie file. So this, unfortunately, a lot of students sent their files to me like this as a WP3. And what that is the actual project. It's not a complete assignment. And so when you are working on your project or when you finalize it, here's what you need to do. Right here, it says save your story for playback on your computer, and then you want to make sure you put it in someplace that you know. Okay? And look, I will give it a title. I want to keep that WMV extension because that is the movie extension. And so I'm just putting this as a student's last name. You would put your last name. And see, it says WMV. That's Windows Movie. That's what it needs to be, not the WP3. So I will save it. See? And then next. And it is building the story and saving it as a movie, not a project. Once it's all finished and I have it saved properly, and I will show you how to put it on your Weebly. There's a couple things you need to do. First, you need to upload it to your Google Drive. And that's very simple. And then once it's there, you can use it anytime. You can use it next year. Okay, so we will log into Google through the Mesquite ISD login. And we will go to New, and you will file Upload. And I will look for it. I have it in my network folder, and so I will find it. There it is, WMV, Windows Movie File. That's it. It's uploading the item. The item is complete. Now if you look right here, it's a little red, like the movie symbol. It's not finished. If I try to click on it, it's going to say, ooh, there's a problem, whoops, can't do it. And so I need to wait until it looks like this. Here's two other students' files that I've uploaded. See, that is a playable movie. Once it's there and you can access it, then what you need to do, I'll show you with Pozos. Okay, I'm playing it, but what I need to really do first is go up here. It says share. So it has this little person and a plus sign. I'm going to click on that. And then I need to go to advanced. Right now it's private, so the only person who can actually look at it is the one who owns it. It's the creator. I need to change this. I'm going to change it to anyone in Mesquite ISD with the link can actually view this film. Save it. Now, here's the link that I want to use to share. So I will copy this link. Done. Okay. Just make sure, share, anyone with a link, copy link, the link is copied to the clipboard. Now I will go to my Weebly, and I will link it. I'm going to edit. There's two ways to do this. I'm going to show you both. Okay, I'm going to have a new post. This is on my home page. I'll call it my PhotoStory. And then the first way is to embed the code, which is basically the link. So I will just paste the link I copied, and I'm done. That's one way. Another way, which looks prettier, a little bit more professional, is this button. I will give it a title. Maybe I would title it the topic, like animal abuse or poverty. Might be a more interesting title. And you go up here to this link, and it's a website URL, so you will paste that same link there. I always tell it to open the link in a new window, and that way my Weebly window stays open as well. Save it. Now, because I'm always worried that things aren't working, I double check. Is it there? It's there. Save. Post. Publish. It's good. Okay, you can access it through the link here or through the button. Just to make sure that it's working, I will exit the editor. I'll go to the actual Weebly site. This is what you all see. And I will, with this, you have to do this. We have to, oops, we actually have to copy it, go to, and it should bring the story up. See, there it is. Aw, looks sad. Or I can go to this little button and it brings up the same thing. So you don't need to do both, you just need to do one or the other. But the key is to make sure that you have it so that everyone can see it, anyone at the link. Now look at this other one, Stokes, see? It's finally uploaded where we can actually view the movie. Once again, you want to open it. And then you want to make sure that anybody with the link can view it. Let me pause it. Edit. I'm right here. Advanced. Private. Change. Anyone at Mesquite ISD with a link. Save. Just make sure you do all this first before you actually copy and paste the link, because this is the link that you want. Anyone who can see it, done. Now what I would like for you to do as well is to go ahead and enter my name on here. And I'll get an email saying, here, Miss B, come look at my movie. Okay. And then don't forget, let's copy this, let's send, and then we're done. It's all good. Okay? If you have any questions, let me know. And please take care of this as soon as possible. Thank you.